In this video, I'm going to be sharing you my scalping session. We're looking at S&P 500 and futures. The time frame is 2000 tick chart. We're going to be using pure price action with one supportive indicator, the 21 bar exponential moving average. The structure right now is quite bullish. As you can see, we started straight with bullish bias. We have a breaking new high, but prices keep trending higher. So this is telling me that, okay, there's still bullish bias present in the market. A lot of small bars are working higher, so I'm resorting myself to drawing bigger spike and a channel pattern. You can see first two swings, third swing confirmation. It also fits quite nice off of these highs. Okay, so we have two-legged pullback downtrend played out with the break, push to a new extreme. So the correction phase ended. Right here, as I'm resuming the videos, I'm trying to take a failed second entry short. It is quite stacked and the bar is 5 points, so I use deeper limit order. And we don't get a fill, but I have to use limit order. This is 5 points big. Maybe you can still pull back. I like it. And you can see EMA in all these bars. So I'm taking a little bit more risk, but I kind of like it. New low, first entry short, second entry short failure. Two-legged pullback down. One leg down, break, second leg down like this. So correction phase ended and a brand new push phase may start. I'm going to raise the retracement because I really like the setup here. Okay, so we got filled on the retracement. So I'm putting my stop loss one tick below the single bar. Scalping 7 contracts for 10 ticks because you can see the risk is quite big. So I'm increasing my target profit. The bars are bigger. Leaving one contract as a runner in case market keeps going up, and we got filled. So I'm going to place my stop loss to break even because anything we make is just a bonus. So this is a first entry short, second entry short failure. When the correction phase ended and the brand new push phase should start, it was a little bit stacked, so I had to use deeper limit order, EMA on these bars. But you can see this big bearish bar. They probably trap a lot of sellers selling after 2 legs down right into this key entry point. If you use deeper limit order, decent setup to take advantage of. Right, traders, and our runner just got hit. I was looking for some second entry long at the key entry point. We have new high, first entry long, count reset, first entry long, new high, count reset again. So we have a bunch of first entries only. It keeps going higher, but I just don't have a clean second entry long that I can enter. But yeah, the uptrend keeps scrolling higher, bunch of small bars working higher, 2 legs down, push phase started, correction and push phase is starting, but I want to see the second entry long. Okay, so we were super far from the EMA, so no entry here. Now we have quite a decent pullback. I'm not going to go long here, even though it is off the key entry point. I prefer to get push above EMA and a high-low confirmation setup. This was quite a decent leg down, or failed second entry short if high-low form sketchy. Okay, so the uptrend keeps going. We still need to get new high for the main spike in a channel pattern. If I'm going to measure the retracement, as you can see, we retraced not even 50%. So we expect the new high. However, there is no two-legged pullback, so we still have time before we're going to reach the new high. So hopefully we're going to get some two-legged pullback soon, because at that point, 2 channels we need to get new high. The shorter one and the big one. So I came back from my break. The uptrend played out with the break new high. The secondary stronger spike candle channel also has a break, push to a new extreme. Now we have decisive push back below EMA. So I decided to draw downtrend working lower. It would be good to get some stronger push phase to truly trust it. Once again, my goal is to always look for these channels and follow the trend line rule because it can help me predict when the market will pivot. Breaking new high. If we're going to push below EMA, I'm interested in a lower high, confirming the fact that we need to get new extreme. Alright, I was ready to take the lower high, but it ended up as a bullish doji. There's a nice tail at the top, but simply I need stronger bar, stronger bearish close, because it's a little bit steep. But it is lower high confirming second entry short. We need to get new extreme. But the single bar just ended quite weak. It's a shame. I was about to take it. Right, traders, I'm resuming the video because I just took a second entry short combined with the triple test. It is a little bit sideways, so it is a little bit more aggressive. You can see EMA flatten in the middle of these bars. But this downtrend should get new extreme. Now it is getting quite late, so we may chop around. So this is definitely more on aggressive side. But because it is second entry short, big bearish bar, closing below EMA, there is a chance we're going to get the scalp at least to these lows. So I'm risking it. My stop loss goes one tick above the single bar. Scalping once again 7 contracts for 2 points and leaving 1 contract as a runner in case we're going to push and create all the way back down the new extreme. I enter with the limit order. The bar is 3 points, so it is not the smallest bar, but I didn't want to miss it. And we got filled. So I'm going to play the stop loss to break even because anything we make is just a bonus. You can see one tap, double tap, triple tap. This is the trend down. We expect new extreme to be tested. And this was a quick little scalp. And the runner is going to be just a bonus. It was a little bit sideways, but such a gigantic bearish bar closing below EMA. They were breaking new high, push below EMA. The lower highs we talked about horrible. Felt second entry long, didn't even trigger above this bar. Too far down so you can't enter. So the last chance was a second entry short. If the bar was sketchier, I wouldn't have entered. But this is a great bar. I also have small resistance, so this is good. And we need to get new extreme. So I'm going to pause the video and let's see if we can get runner to finish the day. That would be great. Alright traders, so I'm going to wrap it up with our 2 trades. So this is the overall structure for today. Not that many setups. We started with nice spike and a channel pattern. There was a decent visual halo breakout pullback out of the consolidation, but it's not for the exponential moving average. You have to be more aggressive as well. We didn't get any good second entry long, just come reset here. Then we had prolonged correction because the spike in the channel was quite big, so it took time for prices to correct. There's a decent short entry here, but it's once again way more aggressive. No good setup on the way down. Breaking new extreme indicating downtrend played out. Strong push above EMA is indicating okay, prices are attempting to test the new high. So this is where context aligns, and we want to see second entry long to like a pullback at the EMA, but market just kept rallying high. A lot of first entries. Just not a single pullback, a very strong push up. And because this price action was so strong, we never even truly touched the EMA, you can redraw to slightly wider spike and channel pattern because you simply keep pushing higher, so many small bars. Break, new extreme, so even this uptrend played out. So all uptrends played out. So we have to pause looking to go long. Yes, there's a new high plus entry long, second entry long, but it's a below EMA after all uptrends played out. So context is important. We are not pattern traders, so we need to understand the price action. So it is below EMA after all uptrends played out. And then I'm going to use market geometry to help me identify the channel. Price action reversed after all trends have a break in extreme into a downtrend. Pretty expectable. First entry short, pullback, second entry short, but you cannot sell below this bullish bar. This is a failed breakout, great signal bar. It's not fully double trap because it's closing above EMA, but it is small consolidation, fell breakout, and market moves in pairs of twos, one leg up, break, second leg up. First entry long, second entry long failure, and mini new low, first entry short, second entry short. But you cannot sell below this bull bar, then you have to use double bar entry. For this reason, it's way more aggressive. Had there been some stronger, clean, single bar bearish bar you can consider, but overall you have to use double bar entry, and it's getting quite big because we need to wait for break below this bar. Stop loss goes here. We finished up with the second entry short, and then I was surprised we didn't get the new extreme, but no problem. Market ended up chopping towards the close. So decent price action, but not that eventful. Very few setups. Quite a boring day, but it's okay. I hope you had a good trading day. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna talk to you next time. Good luck in your trading.